What's going on, detailers? Today I'm gonna show you guys something special. I'm gonna show you how to get dirt, grime, and mold out of your seats. Now, these aren't just regular seats. No, these are watermark seats. Now, the difference between regular seats and watermark seats is that the watermark seats, it literally, you can spill water in them, it'll leave a stain. And it seems like it's a stain that will never come out. But today is your day. All you need is a power drill, some simple green, and it's real simple. So pop some popcorn, grab your tools, and walk along with me as I show you how to remove dirt from these nylon seats on this episode of Detailing Solutions. Let's get it.
Yes, detail.
So how do you get this thing to record? Okay, that button there. Oh, there we go. Oh, hello everyone. So today, guys, again, as I said, I'm gonna show you how to remove dirt. The project today is gonna be a red Hyundai Elantra, and the seats are just really bad. So let me show you what we're working with. Let's see how you flip this thing around now. I have no clue what I'm doing. Let's see. There we go. So, take a look at these seats. So as you can see, these seats have quite a bit of disgust in them. Dirt, mold, all in the carpet, and the mold started to spread on the rear seat. All right, so that was disgusting, right? But fret not. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove those stains in 1 or 2 simple steps. So as I said earlier, you're gonna need a drill, you're gonna need some simple green, and you're gonna need a little bit of that right there. See that? That's elbow grease. You're gonna have to get some of that. I'll show you how to use that in a minute. Let's get to the video. Beeping. Stop now. Hey guys. All right. So, see that? That's dirt. That's nasty. And that's going to be gone in about 20 minutes. So, stay tuned and let's show you what tools we need. All right? Let's get to it, shall we? Now that you're done over everything, now you want to take a vacuum and it all up. Now, if it doesn't come out fully the first time, you're gonna wanna repeat steps 1 and 2 again for 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, yeah, you get it. Do it all over again. See? There you go, guys. The moral of the story is, if in first you don't succeed, then just keep doing it until you do.
Cut.
Hey guys, see? Told you. Just a couple steps and we can get this thing clean as new. So the moral of the story is, if you don't get it the first time, or if at first you don't succeed, or never get up, never give up, just keep doing it until it's done. Yeah.
Cut.
Hey guys, as you can see, the seat is like new again. I told you, just a few steps. Well, let me finish.
Let's try one more take.
Nope, I ain't doing that again.
You have to finish out the
I'm
shoot.
not. It's wet and it's nasty.
That's not my problem. You signed up for this.
Yep.
This is not an option.
I'm just not doing it.
But we won't have an outro.
Well, we just won't have an outro then. Wait, I got it. I know how to close the video out now. Cue the before-after montage.
Leave me alone, not picking up the phone. Haven't you noticed? It's ringing kinda loud. I'm tired of feeling this pain. Take a step back to rearrange it. I don't like the way that they be talking, so I might disconnect the call and let it ring. Yeah, the way you're treating me, it's like you're saying that I'm the one to blame. Yeah, they tryna push me all day problems. Take them back or I'ma go insane. Yeah, alone, not picking up the phone. Haven't you noticed? It's ringing kinda loud.
Kaboom!